Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to Annie's Cheesy Bites. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, it would be nice to subscribe first so this channel can grow. My today's recipe is Paneer Masala made with homemade cottage cheese. So let's see the ingredients first. First, you have to grill paneer at 180 degree in preheated oven until it's golden brown in color. You can fry the paneer also, but I prefer to bake it. Now next step is add half cup oil in a pan and add tomato puree in it. I took 5 large tomatoes for the tomato puree because I'm not using onion for the gravy. So tomatoes is the only thing which I'm using here. Cook the tomatoes on high to medium heat until the water dries out and the oil is separate from the tomatoes. As you can see, at this step I'm going to add all the spices. For the spices card, you can go back and take a screenshot of the spices card. Add all the spices from your spices plate. Just leave the coriander because we are going to use it for garnishing in the end. After adding the spices, cook your gravy for 2 more minutes. When you see that there is no moisture in your gravy and the oil is separate from the gravy, it means that your gravy is ready. You can feel the yummy aroma from the gravy when it's ready. Step 2 is you are going to add the already marinated veggies in your gravy. I marinated the veggies in tikka masala or achari masala and some yogurt, just to enhance the taste of veggies. Then cook the veggies at a medium to high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't make your veggies soggy here. The step of veggies is totally optional. I added it. If you don't want to add veggies or you don't like it, it's perfectly fine. You can add green chilies here also, but my family members don't like too much spicy food, so I skipped green chilies here. Then I'm going to add the grilled paneer here. At this step, after adding the paneer in your gravy, don't mix it too much because paneer is delicate to handle while cooking. So the cubes can be broken down. Just add it in the gravy with the soft hand. Mix it and you can see that I'm putting the paneer one by one in my gravy due to its delicacy and mixing it softly. After mixing on a low flame, you can put your gravy or paneer masala on dum by covering your pan. Like this. After 5 minutes, just mix it up with soft hands again. And it's time to dish it out. After dishing it out, I'm going to add another tarka on it with white Zeera and curry patta. the green curry leaves. We have green curry leaves, the plant in our home, and it's also available in dried form, but usually in our tarka for dal or for some gravies we use the fresh curry leaves. In a small pan, take some oil, put some zeera and curry leaf here and fry it until you have an aroma of frying. When your white zeera is in golden brown form, add this on your dished out paneer masala, and believe me, the aroma is delectably yummy and amazing. Thank you for watching.